Welcome to How to Basic Apex. Today we are going to talk about how to create validations in Oracle Apex and what you can do with them. Go to the start of your application, navigate to a form page. Go to the third tab on the left. Here you can add validations. We will start with the field phone number. We want to check whether the user only entered numbers and hasn't added any characters. To do this, right-click on Validations, select Create Validation. Enter a name. I will name it phone number. For the validation type, select Item as numeric. Because a phone number only contains numbers, for the item, select P12_phone. Enter a custom error message. Leave the display location as it is. You can change it if you want. We only want this validation to run if the Create button is pressed. Set the condition to check if the entered item is not numeric. For the item, select P12_phone, save and run the application to test if it works. Next, we will add a validation for the email address. Create a new validation and give it a name. For validation type, choose PL/SQL expression. Use this code to validate the email address. Enter a custom error message. For server-side condition, select Create, so the validation only runs when the Create button is pressed. Run the page to test it. You can also use validations for login forms. For example, check if a username or email exists. Set password requirements for account. Add age validations. Finally, let's add a file validation. Create a new validation and enter a name. Use this code to check if the file is .pdf or .jpeg. To test, try uploading a file with a .avif extension. You should get an error. Then upload a .jpeg file. It should work. You can create many more validations this way. We used a form as an example because it is easier to understand. But validations can also be used for date pickers or rosters, e.g., prevent overlapping appointments. Time limits, e.g., users must answer within a certain time frame. Validations help ensure data integrity and improve the user experience in your Apex applications. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. We also have other instruction videos like this one on our channel at How to Basic Apex, so subscribe to stay updated and like the video if it was helpful.